Welcome back to the Wi-Fi Money Vault, where we delve into the realms of online earning potentials. Today, we're unlocking the secrets behind generating over 500,000 from faceless Instagram accounts, guiding you through the journey of going viral. If you're ready to transform your online presence into a lucrative business venture, then buckle up, because this blueprint is about to change the game for you. Point 1. Start an Instagram account. All right, buckle up because we're diving into the first step of this exhilarating journey, starting your very own Instagram account. Picture this. It's like stepping onto a digital stage where your passions take center stage. But here's the golden rule. Authenticity is your secret weapon. Think of your Instagram account as your personal gallery, where every post is a masterpiece crafted from your passions. Now, why is passion so crucial, you ask? Well, it's the fuel that keeps the fire burning bright, even when the path gets rocky. Whether you're crazy about travel, obsessed with sports, or living and breathing health and fitness, there's a tribe out there eagerly waiting to connect with you. So, don't hold back. Let your enthusiasm shine through, and watch as your audience rallies around your shared interests. Remember, your Instagram account is more than just a profile. It's your digital canvas, waiting for your creativity to paint it with vibrant colors. So take a moment to reflect on what sets your soul on fire, choose your niche wisely, and get ready to embark on an adventure unlike any other. Point 2. Downloading the software. All right, let's talk about gearing up for success with the right tools in your digital arsenal. Now that you've pinpointed your niche and you're raring to go, it's time to arm yourself with the necessary software to turn your vision into reality. Think of these tools as your trusty sidekicks, helping you bring your content to life with flair and finesse. From the powerhouse prowess of Adobe Premiere Pro to the user-friendly allure of Canva, there's a lot of options waiting for you to explore. And here's the best part. You don't need a hefty bank account to access these game-changing tools. Nope, affordable alternatives like CapCut and Canva are here to save the day, proving that you don't need to break the bank to make a splash in the digital realm. With these tools at your fingertips, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're weaving together a cinematic masterpiece or crafting eye-catching designs that stop the scroll, you're only limited by your imagination. So don't be afraid to dive in, experiment, and let your creativity run wild. Point 3. Understand how the algorithm works. Welcome to the fascinating world of the Instagram algorithm, a digital enigma that's both puzzling and rewarding for those who dare to unravel its secrets. You see, in this ever-evolving digital landscape, chasing likes is so yesterday. It's time to shift your focus to the metrics that truly matter: watch time, saves, and shares. Why, you ask? Well, let me hit you with some hard-hitting facts. Did you know that the average time spent looking at an Instagram post is a mere 3 to 5 seconds? That's right, blink, and you might miss it. But fear not, because here's where the magic happens. By creating content that captivates your audience and keeps them glued to their screens for longer, you're not just winning hearts, you're winning the algorithm's favor. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about saves and shares. According to recent data, for every 1,000 impressions, there are about 5 saves and 2 shares. Now, those might seem like small numbers, but trust me, they add up. When your content gets saved for future reference or shared with friends and followers, it's like hitting the jackpot in the world of social media. So, how do you crack the code and unlock the secrets of the algorithm? It's simple. Create content that sparks conversations, ignites emotions, and prompts action. Whether it's a jaw-dropping video, an awe-inspiring photo, or a thought-provoking caption, make sure it's something worth saving, sharing, and savoring. Because when you understand how the algorithm works, you're not just playing the game, you're winning it. Hey there, if you're finding these tips valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Wi-Fi Money Vault for more insider strategies on earning online. Our community is all about sharing knowledge and supporting each other's journey to financial freedom. So join us, and let's embark on this adventure together. And going back. Point 4. Creating viral posts. Now here's the heart of the action. Creating viral posts that'll set your Instagram on fire. And guess what? You've got the ultimate weapon in your arsenal: Canva. With this powerhouse tool at your fingertips, you're just a few clicks away from crafting content that stops the scroll and leaves your audience craving for more. So where do we begin? It's all about that initial hook, the thumb-stopping moment that grabs your viewer's attention and refuses to let go. Visualize a bold, eye-catching image paired with a captivating headline that demands a closer look. That's your ticket to standing out in the crowded digital landscape. But we're not stopping there. Oh no, we're just getting started. Now it's time to add some spice to the mix. Think motivational quotes, engaging visuals, and anything else that tugs at the heartstrings or tickles the funny bone. Remember, the key to virality is all about triggering emotions and sparking curiosity. So don't hold back. Experiment with different formats, styles, and content types until you find the winning formula that resonates with your audience. And here's a little insider tip for you. Keep a close eye on your analytics. Pay attention to which posts perform best and analyze what makes them stand out. Is it the content, the visuals, the timing? By decoding the patterns of success, you'll unlock the secrets to creating viral content that's tailor-made for your audience. Point 5. Creating viral reels. Welcome to the next level of viral content creation, Instagram Reels. In a world where attention spans are shorter than ever, Reels have become the go-to platform for capturing audiences' imaginations in lightning-fast snippets. Think of them as your secret weapon for making a big impact in a short amount of time. Now here's where the magic happens. With the rise of text-to-speech AI and AI-generated imagery, creating captivating reels has never been easier. Imagine transforming a simple idea into a mesmerizing visual feast with just a few taps on your screen. That's the power of technology at your fingertips, my friend. But hold on to your hats because we're just scratching the surface. Reels aren't just about entertainment, they're about engagement. And here's the kicker. Studies have shown that video content receives up to 10 times more engagement than static posts. That's right, you heard me. 10 times. So if you're looking to boost your reach and connect with your audience on a deeper level, Reels are the way to go. But here's the best part. You don't need a Hollywood budget or a team of professional editors to create viral reels. All you need is a sprinkle of creativity, a dash of ingenuity, and a willingness to think outside the box. So roll up your sleeves, fire up your imagination, and get ready to unleash your inner Spielberg on the Instagram stage. With Reels, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're sharing a hilarious moment, offering a sneak peek behind the scenes, or inspiring your audience with a motivational message, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Point 6. Viral Content Checklist. All right, before you dive headfirst into the exhilarating world of content sharing, let's hit the pause button for a moment. Because here's the thing, creating viral content isn't just about throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks. It's about strategy, intentionality, and above all, providing value to your audience. So, let's talk about checklists. Imagine this. You're about to hit that share button, but before you do, it's time for a quick reality check. Run through our viral content checklist to ensure your post is primed and ready to make waves in the digital ocean. First up, ask yourself, will this content stop people in their tracks? In a world where attention is the ultimate currency, capturing your audience's gaze is half the battle won. So make sure your content packs a punch right from the get-go. Next, consider the shareability factor. Will people be itching to hit that share button and spread the word to their friends and followers? Remember, sharing is caring, and if your content resonates with your audience, they'll be eager to pass it along. But wait, there's more. Take a moment to reflect on the value your content provides. Is it informative, inspirational, entertaining? Whatever the case may be, make sure your content adds something meaningful to your audience's lives. And finally, don't forget the engagement factor. Will your content spark conversations, ignite emotions, and prompt action? Because at the end of the day, it's those meaningful interactions that truly drive virality. So before you hit that share button, take a deep breath, run through our checklist, and ensure your content ticks all the boxes for viral success. And there you have it, the blueprint to making 500,000 from faceless Instagram accounts and going viral. From finding your niche to mastering the art of viral content creation, you now possess the tools and knowledge to embark on this exhilarating journey. But remember, success won't happen overnight. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn from both successes and setbacks. So keep hustling, keep innovating, and above all, keep believing in yourself. The Wi-Fi Money Vault is here to guide you every step of the way. Until next time, stay inspired, stay creative, and stay tuned for more insider tips on unlocking the potential of the digital world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. Together, we're unstoppable.